Hi, to record screen on your iPhone 13, as a first step, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here find the icon for screen recording. In my case, it is located in this first hard tab. If you cannot find it, you can just press and hold any free space, so we'll go in the editing mode. Here select to edit control and find it in this list. Now, the first thing we can do is to press and hold the icon and choose whether we want to enable microphone or not. If you want to record your screen with microphone enabled, you just need to tap this icon so it will light up red. If you don't want to do this, you just need to tap it again to disable. And now we need to tap it once to start recording, and after 3 seconds it will be started. So you can see this confirmation in the upper left corner. Now you can record your screen, but keep in mind not all apps will allow you to record your content. For example, with Netflix, it will just be a black screen. If you want to stop your recording, you just need to tap here in the upper left corner on this red icon and select this option to stop. And now it is saved to photos, so we can immediately tap it and check in our gallery. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.